And what we built is an AI agent that takes in a file, and depending on what the file is, it will either pass it off to Upstage's document parser if it's a PDF, or if it's not, if it's an image or an audio file, it'll send it off to Story to register it as an IP. And so we'll upload a file. So this is Principles of Flight. And what this is a PDF about how flight works. And so we can ask it something like, there was a question about pressure altitudes for plane performance at or above 18,000 feet. So we'll take that as the, okay, so what it successfully submitted, it successfully went through document parser, and then it successfully split it up into Pinecone's data store. So what we should do is, at what altitude? And hopefully this will trigger this chatbot to then hit the vector data store to pull off the specialized information and return it back. And it knows that it's 18,000 feet based off of that. And that's great. And obviously if it's just high, then it won't go to the vector data store and it'll just give us a regular response. And then in the case where we upload something else, so let's say we upload a picture of a dog, we can submit it, and then it will go through and manually craft. So it's uploading the file to IPFS and then taking that IPFS URL and then sending that off to Story to then register that IP. And so this should have sent me an email confirming, let me refresh, the registration was successful. And then if I click that, it will then take me to the Story block explorer. And then in here, you can see that that was the image of the dog. Great, thank you.